Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's super important for students: how to make money online. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash on the side or start a full-fledged business, we've got you covered with 6 proven methods. We'll explore affiliate marketing, dropshipping, YouTube, Twitch, e-commerce, and trading. These methods are designed to be flexible and low cost to get started. So, if you're ready to explore these opportunities and start making money online, stick around because you're not going to want to miss this. Let's jump right in. Chapter 1. Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most accessible ways for students to start making money online. Essentially, you sign up for an affiliate program, promote products, and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Many companies offer affiliate programs, including Amazon, which has one of the largest and easiest to join. You can promote products through your social media channels, blog, or even a YouTube channel. The key to successful affiliate marketing is choosing products that resonate with your audience. Quality content is crucial. Create reviews, tutorials, or comparison guides to help your audience make informed purchasing decisions. Another important aspect is tracking your performance. Most affiliate programs provide detailed analytics, so you can see which products are performing well and which aren't. Use this data to refine your strategies. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it can be done with minimal upfront investment, making it ideal for students. To get started, simply search for affiliate programs in your niche and sign up. Once approved, you'll get access to a dashboard where you can find your referral links and marketing materials. From there, it's all about creating engaging content and driving traffic to those links. Patience and consistency are key. It might take some time to see significant earnings, but with dedication, it's entirely possible. Affiliate marketing also offers scalability. As you build an audience and gain more influence, your earning potential grows. You can even join multiple affiliate programs to diversify your income streams. Just make sure to disclose your affiliate relationships to maintain transparency with your audience. One great platform to consider is Amazon Associates. It's free to join, and you can earn commissions by promoting millions of products available on Amazon. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest are perfect for affiliate marketing. Create visually appealing posts or short videos showcasing the products you're promoting. Networking with other affiliate marketers can provide insights and opportunities you might not have discovered on your own. Chapter 2. Drop shipping. Drop shipping is another fantastic option for students looking to make money online. This business model allows you to sell products without ever having to manage or hold inventory. You basically act as the middleman between the supplier and the customer. When a customer places an order on your online store, the supplier ships the product directly to them. To get started with drop shipping, you'll need to set up an online store. Platforms like Shopify make it incredibly easy to create a professional-looking store without any coding skills. You'll also need to find reliable suppliers, which can be done through directories like Oberlo or AliExpress. It's crucial to choose suppliers with good reviews and fast shipping times to ensure customer satisfaction. Marketing is a huge part of your dropshipping success. You'll need to drive traffic to your store through various means such as social media advertising, search engine optimization, SEO, and influencer marketing. Social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer robust advertising tools that allow you to target specific demographics. Customer service is another critical aspect of dropshipping. Even though you're not handling the products directly, you're still responsible for ensuring a positive customer experience. One of the biggest advantages of dropshipping is its low overhead. Since you don't have to invest in inventory up front, your initial costs are minimal. Analytics play a crucial role in your dropshipping business. Use tools like Google Analytics to track visitor behavior, conversion rates, and sales performance. Another tip is to offer upsells and cross-sells. This involves recommending additional products to customers based on their purchase behavior. Finally, consider expanding your product range over time. As you gain more experience and build a customer base, you can start adding new products to your store. This not only keeps your offerings fresh, but also helps attract repeat customers. Just make sure to maintain the quality and reliability of your suppliers to ensure consistent customer satisfaction. Chapter 3. YouTube. Creating a YouTube channel is an excellent way for students to make money online. Not only is it a platform for sharing your passion and creativity, but it also offers various monetization opportunities. To get started, you'll need to create a Google account and set up your YouTube channel. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Content is king on YouTube, so focus on creating high-quality videos that provide value to your viewers. Whether it's educational content, tutorials, vlogs, or entertainment, make sure your videos are engaging and well-produced. Investing in a good camera and microphone can significantly improve the quality of your videos. Additionally, learn basic video editing skills to enhance your content. Once you have a few videos up, it's time to think about growing your audience. Consistency is key. Try to upload videos on a regular schedule to keep your viewers engaged. Use SEO techniques to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche can also help you reach a wider audience. Once your channel meets the eligibility requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This allows you to earn money through ads that are displayed on your videos. You can also explore other revenue streams such as channel memberships, super chats, and merchandise shelf. Engagement with your audience is crucial for building a loyal community. Use YouTube Analytics to track your video performance, audience demographics, and engagement metrics. Another important aspect is promoting your YouTube channel on other platforms. Lastly, don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Chapter 4: Twitch. Twitch is a fantastic platform for students looking to make money online through live streaming. Originally focused on gaming, Twitch has expanded to include various types of content such as music, art, and even just chatting streams. To get started, you'll need to create a Twitch account and set up your streaming software. OBS Studio is a popular and free option for beginners. Choosing the right niche is crucial for building an audience on Twitch. Whether you're a gamer, artist, or musician, focus on content that you're passionate about and that you can consistently create. The more niche your content, the easier it will be to attract a dedicated audience. Quality is key when it comes to live streaming. Invest in a good webcam and microphone to ensure your streams are high quality. Stable internet connection is also essential to avoid lag and interruptions. Additionally, consider creating an engaging overlay for your stream that includes your social media handles, recent followers, and donation alerts. Building an audience on Twitch takes time and consistency. Stream regularly and stick to a schedule so your viewers know when to tune in. Engage with your audience by responding to chat messages, asking for feedback, and creating interactive content. Monetization on Twitch comes in various forms. Once you reach affiliate status, you can start earning money through subscriptions, bits, virtual currency, and ads. Sponsorships and brand deals are another lucrative revenue stream for Twitch streamers. As you grow your audience, you may attract the attention of brands looking to promote their products. Networking is also important for growing your Twitch channel. Collaborate with other streamers, participate in Twitch communities, and attend events like TwitchCon to connect with fellow creators and potential viewers. Use Twitch Analytics to track your stream performance and audience engagement. Promote your Twitch channel on other social media platforms to increase your reach. Share your stream schedule, highlight clips, and interact with your followers on Twitter, Instagram, and Discord. Lastly, remember that building a successful Twitch channel takes time and effort. Chapter 5: E-commerce. Setting up an e-commerce store is a great way for students to make money online. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy make it easy to start your own online store. First, choose a niche and decide what products to sell. Your niche should align with your interests and have market demand. Next, set up your online store. Shopify allows you to create a professional store without coding skills. Ensure your store is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Choose high-quality products that provide value to your customers. Marketing is essential for driving traffic to your store. Use social media advertising, SEO, email marketing, and influencer partnerships. Provide excellent customer service to ensure success. Use analytics to track performance and understand visitor behavior. Focus on building a strong brand to differentiate from competitors. Chapter 6: Trading. Trading is an exciting and potentially lucrative way for students to make money online. Whether it's stock trading, cryptocurrency, or other forms of online trading, the opportunities are vast. However, it's important to approach trading with caution and a solid understanding of the market. The first step is to educate yourself about the different types of trading and the associated risks. There are plenty of online courses, books, and resources available to help you get started. Stock trading involves buying and selling shares of publicly traded companies. To get started, you'll need to open a brokerage account. Platforms like Robinhood, e*Trade, and TD Ameritrade offer user-friendly interfaces and educational resources for beginners. Cryptocurrency trading involves buying and selling digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. This market is known for its volatility, which means prices can fluctuate dramatically in a short period. Before you start trading, it's crucial to develop a trading strategy.